broom and just broom it.
Look at them. We open our garage door. This is what it looks like. Snow. Grabe kaputi among kalsada. Oh. Kana si ini.
Now actually got to do the road too. The road department said we need to clean our own roads.
Where is our shovel? At the back. At the back. So I told you put gloves.
You want to try this shovel? How good it works?
Okay, come on, Sky. Okay, he's already cold. He don't have gloves.
Well, his gloves right here.
He's crazy. Skyler, you're not playing. You're not playing. You're shoveling. Ano ba yan? Oh, see? We have a lot of things to do. This is our... See that? I don't know. It's how many in our driveway? This is the kind of like a garage door. 3 inches. More than that.
I think we got...
4 from just here.
Yeah, but that's... Yeah, I think we got it.
Hi, this is, be careful because it's slippery down here. Oh. Look at that. Mission accomplished. This is how deep we. Aha. Also in our here, hopefully that when we get out in the car, we don't slide it anymore. But by the way, we just what they call this one, shovel halfway to our driveway. Okay, look at this bottled water. It's frozen. We just leave it over here. See, it's frozen, guys. This is how cold outside. Look at that's our neighborhood. It's a deep it's a deep snow. Yeah, we need to make what? Oh, so he lives in this area. Go that way, that one, the blower earlier. Yeah. But look at
he did the sidewalks for the
church too. Yeah. But look at this. How nice it is. Our road covered with snow.
Across. The other road.
Yeah, you can do that. But the main road is clear. You know why? Because someone is plowing.
Yeah, they plowed it.
Yeah, but if you're going to our street, no one's doing it. So this is how it looks like. is hot.
Your watch got a hot butt.
Stop it. It's crazy.
Some of you will never even go in.
Yeah, see, this is our neighbor.
They tried to get out and couldn't. Did they?
Yeah, I maybe.
So there was
Deep.
trails that went like this, but they never come out.
It's deep, deep, guys.
Where's the deepest place? Where's the best place to be?
And we're just gonna be like driving slow because. But it's
How about
not
we
that
would stay
ice
around
yet.
this?
Look at that one. See?
Yeah.
No one is walking really there. But it's not that scary yet because it's not ice. It's just like a powdery. Now, here it's clear again because this is the main road. So, no, you cannot go that way.
Yeah, I can go this way.
Why?
Maybe a lot of people haven't gone this way yet. The one that goes around here, there's not many houses up there.
When it, saan nga, abi mo na ko kahani pa ingon.
It's nice though here.
Gusto
Deeper.
man mag-drive. Don't even, because what if we're gonna be on, you don't know, because this
Go
is
down that way.
no, that's for the
You go
crazy.
over here. No, we go here. Yeah.
We're just driving, like, look how deep is that. Oh, Jackson Barbecue and Catering. Wow. Look at that.
He's got a whole shop here.
Yeah. So this is our first time to
That's the cemetery. How we go there?
the cemetery over there. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's nice to drive it like this. No one is driving, but it's deep snow. Where?
And then a ditch there.
Look at how deep is the snow over here. No one's here,
I
but
just drive out that way.
you are not allowed there. That's a college.
I couldn't see the road.
Stop it. That's not even the road.
I didn't know that. Just goes this way.
Good excuse. If you are good excuse, yung mata. Crazy person. Are you sure that we are in? No! Gago. Gusto daw siya manahan ng dates diha ang abnormal. Are we going out now? I don't
Somebody
like.
tried to drive across there. They didn't even
Pay
make it.
attention, we are in a stop in this area. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. Now we are in.
Don't they drive their vans back in there and stuff?
No, that's not even the thing. That's the thing for the